Hello everyone, we are here in English Phrases and Idioms channel, and today I'm gonna teach you 5 phrasal verbs with go. So welcome to this video. The first phrasal verb is go forth. Go forth, travel abroad or leave a place. For example, they went forth to try so hard. They went forth to try so hard. Let's see some examples.
You go forth to a country torn apart by civil strife.
Go forth and wreak havoc. Therefore I say, 'tis meet we all go forth to view the sick and feeble parts of France.
The second phrasal verb is go forward. Go forward, that means progress. For example, does the team go forward to the next round? Does the team go forward to the next round? Let's see some examples.
Should we go forward? Here's the cost.
He wanted this thing to go forward on time.
The third phrasal verb is go below. Go below. Leave the top deck of a ship. For example, the Captain John told his assistants to go below when he called them. The Captain John told his assistants to go below when he called them.
You go below decks, you get off my boat, that's your choice.
The fourth phrasal verb is go ahead. Go ahead, that means proceed. For example, the demolition of the bridge went ahead despite the protests. The demolition of the bridge went ahead despite the protests. Let's see some examples.
So go ahead, do it!
Go ahead.
Vincent, it's me.
Jimmy, go play with your sister. Go ahead.
Now the last idiom of today. It is go about. Go about. Deal with something. For example, how should you go about telling him the bad news? How should you go about telling him the bad news?
I feel that this would be the best way to go about checking out all the issues that you've had.
Excuse me.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.